And here's your filter. Mine is absolutely, look at that. Look how dirty that is. How to change the air filter on your 2005 to 2012 Porsche Boxer or Cayman. As always, everything in this video today will be linked in the description below, including these high-performance air filters and how to clean them, as well as how to re-oil them up. First thing we have to do is remove the engine cover and get access to these filters. All right, next thing we're gonna do is take a T30 Torx and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to remove this engine cover off. Go ahead and grab the cover and just pull it up and out of the way. And to remove the filter from your car, you're gonna have this black plastic piece right here. And you're gonna go undo one screw right here, another screw right here. Don't drop the screws. Now we're gonna go slide this up. There's gonna be one more carrier screw, a locator right here. Go ahead and undo this. And then at that point, you can grab the filter, pull it back, and then pull it out of the car with the carrier. Very bottom, you have this fastener right here. Go ahead and unscrew that. Okay, now this will come off. And here's your filter. Mine is absolutely, look at that. Look how dirty that is. That is nasty. We're gonna clean this out. All right, guys, I just got a bucket here of degreaser. I probably put maybe like a cup of engine degreaser in there. It's already just soaking it just kind of like that. It's already made this so much better. So I'm doing both sides, letting it sit in some degreaser. Flip it over, let it sit. We'll come back in 5 minutes. Now we're gonna take the filter out of the water. We're gonna put it right here, and we're gonna go power wash it. As you can tell, this looks so much better already. It's very clear. It's no longer sooty. I'm gonna do one more clean like this. We're gonna let it out to dry. And here's the water that came out of the filter. All right, we've degreased and cleaned the filter. It's looking a lot better now from what it was before. Our next step is gonna be using a K&N air filter oil and lightly apply it to the filter. All right, you can see in the video how we went from pretty much like a gray now to like a red on the filter. We're gonna let this dry for 20 minutes, and any areas that are maybe a little bit light, we're gonna go retouch. Just a little bit up here and a little bit down there. Great. If you're interested in this product right here, I have linked it in the description below the video. All right, we've let the air filter absorb some of that K&N oil. It's pretty much all uniform in color, as you can see here. So now we're gonna go put it back in the car. Okay, for reassembly, we're gonna go take our filter here and this black plastic carrier piece. We're gonna go slide this on the bottom. We're gonna come around the back. We're gonna take our silver screw and put it in here, and we're gonna go fasten that right into place. All right, with our carrier on board, we're gonna slip this in here, just like this. And we're gonna work this around. We're gonna get this filter over this lip, push it in. Now we're gonna take a black plastic screw, and we're gonna go attach it to this little hanger bracket right here. This is gonna help support the filter and keep it in place, not too tight. And our next step is gonna be to put this cover. There's gonna be this tongue right here. The tongue goes to the slot. Go ahead and slide that into place. Take your other two black screws and go ahead and fasten them right here and right here. All right, that's how you replace the engine air filter on your 2005, 2012 Porsche Cayman or Boxer. Everything used in the video will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions at all, also put it in the comments. Please consider subscribing, maybe a little super thanks, and we'll see you next time.